Things are going to be way different tomorrow than they are right now. Very calm in the Tri-Cities with temperatures in the 40s and 50s at this hour. But look at tomorrow morning. As we go into 8 a.m., clouds over a large part of the region and heavy rain at times through the morning. Temperatures will be in the 50s as we go through the morning. In fact, probably getting in the mid-50s as we go towards the middle to late morning. As we go towards lunchtime, look at this band of orange here. That's a band of heavy to moderate rainfall moving through as we go towards lunchtime. And then as we go into the afternoon and evening, you can see the snow coming from the north and west. That will advance off towards the east, moving into areas like Norton first in parts of Wise County, Lee County, and Pennington Gap. Then Scott County gets in on the snow. And eventually by 5 o'clock, a large part of our region experiencing wintry weather as temperatures dip down into the 30s by around 7 o'clock, and we're only going downhill from there. Now, before all this happens tomorrow, I do want to make you aware that we're going to see some gusty winds tonight. 20, 30, 40 mile per hour gusts will be possible through the overnight, especially in the Tennessee mountains where high wind warnings are in effect. You can kind of pick out the areas here in these bright pink color or purple colors where we'll see the highest wind gusts. Be aware of that tonight. Those will die down tomorrow in the afternoon. Rainfall forecast with this decent amount of moisture coming our way even before we see some of that transition over to snow across the area. About an inch of rain and then a little bit more moisture, of course, with the snow as it pushes through. Once again, kind of an hour-by-hour look tomorrow. Notice the temperatures dipping down in the evening. By 11 o'clock, we're in the 20s, which means that anything that's out there that isn't frozen will be frozen pretty quickly. Let's time it all out for you on this map here on FUTURETRACK. You notice the scattered showers pushing in by daybreak on Thursday, and then we go into Thursday afternoon, and here comes that heavy band of rain, once again advancing off towards the area and moving through. Tune in to David Boyd tomorrow at noon. He'll be tracking that as it pushes through. As we go towards 1 o'clock, here comes that snow band, first moving into parts of southwest Virginia and southeast Kentucky. By 3, 4, 5 o'clock, overspreading the area. As you tune into News 5 at 6 tomorrow, it will likely be snowing across parts of our region. And then as we go over the next couple of hours after that, the heaviest band of snow pushes away. But then we start to see these scattered snow showers develop and continue through the overnight and even into part of Friday with scattered on and off snow through the day on Christmas, lasting into Christmas Day evening. Now, once again, the snowfall timing, as we go into the afternoon, that's when our chances for accumulation start to go up. And the highest accumulations expected here across parts of southwest Virginia, where 3 to 4 inches. Some areas could pick up a little bit more, 2 to 3, generally largely as you head towards the Virginia-Kentucky line, and also the Tennessee and Virginia line, and higher amounts, of course, in the Tennessee and North Carolina mountains. We will look at the latest data over the next couple of hours. Meteorologist David Boyd and I will have a conference call and kind of discuss what we believe together will be happening with this and refine our forecast as needed as we head towards our shows later tonight and, of course, on social media through the next couple of hours. You can get updates as well. Road conditions as we head into Christmas Eve. Wet in the morning, icy towards the nighttime. If you're traveling on Christmas morning to someone's house, be wary. There will be some ice and snow out there, especially on back roads and side roads. And give an extra thank you to all the plow drivers who are going to be working tomorrow when they probably were already scheduled to be off. Here is your 7-day. Note the temperature on Friday, 24 degrees. That's going to go down as one of the top 5 coldest Christmases in the Tri-Cities.